Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman, and today we have Jeremy Bendeich from Avoca and Shane Fitzgerald from Monash. Welcome, gentlemen. We're talking about the stocks that are hated. Nothing better. Start with you, Shane. Myer, retailer, old world business, buy, hold or sell?
It's a sell. If you look over the last 20 years, Myer hasn't grown its revenue line at all in that period. It hasn't benefited from population growth, it hasn't benefited from GDP growth, it hasn't benefited from inflation. It's in a tough market, competition coming from everywhere. It's a sell.
Jeremy, you dare to be different?
No, it's a sell, no rollout, Amazon's coming, and the property market's peaking. These type of retailers are in a dangerous part of the cycle.
Okay, let's go to engineering, oil and gas, Worley Parsons, buy, hold or sell?
It's a hold, but it's completely correlated to the oil price. You want to leverage oil play, buy an option over the oil price.
Do you like the leverage oil play, Worley Parsons?
Not really. I put it as a hold though. I think there's been a capex hold in oil and gas for some time out of the mining boom and then the oil price dropping. I think we're through the worst of that now, but Worley's a very opaque company. You want to see some tangible evidence of things improving before you want to get into it.
Okay, from oil and gas to infant formula, Bellamy's boom stock, buy, hold or sell?
We've got to buy in that one. We think Bellamy's has built quite a good brand in China for the sale of its product. We can see quite strong earnings growth coming forward, and the valuation multiples, given that growth profile it has, looks pretty reasonable. So buy for us.
They're growing big kids in China, and they're doing it with infant formula, Jeremy. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, sell, because I'm not sure of the business model of importing milk from Switzerland or Austria, shipping it all the way to Australia, processing it, saying it's made in Tasmania, and then selling it to China. Why doesn't someone in Austria cut out the middleman? Sell.
Okay. Software, global business, Aconex, buy, hold or sell?
Going to struggle potentially in the short term because sales estimates are a little high by the market, and they've been softening that. Long term, it's a big buy. It's got a very large addressable market, but it's got some short-term headwinds. Can't afford that on the really high PE that it trades on.
Yep, seems like quality business. Expensive, buy, hold or sell? Shane?
It's a hold for us. I mean, we want to see how the European acquisition beds down and how the cash flow from that business actually transpires as they change the revenue model. Great business, SaaS model, love that type of business model, but for now, with the valuation, it's a hold.
Let's get to the really hated end of the market, Metcash, buy, hold or sell?
That's a sell for us as well. If you're looking for retail exposures, there's better retail exposures than this. It's probably benefited the last little while from the problems Woolworths has had. Woolworths seems to have righted the ship now. We expect market share losses to continue to reassert themselves in the grocery business, which is their biggest business.
Can you make any money out of Metcash being long, Jeremy?
Oh, look, I'm with Shane on this one. You've got not only Aldi increasing its store footprint, but you've got Amazon announcing that it is coming not only just in normal goods, but in grocery. They're setting up a special type of business here. You don't want to go against Amazon.
You might hate them, but there might be some money there to be made.